before you fall?
Yeah. Maddie, I want to go on.
Hi. Say hi, Mommy.
Hi.
Hi, Mommy. It's up and running. Still got fine tuning to do, but it's up and running. And the kids are enjoying it. Got some fine tuning to do.
Some help.
But can you guys see anything? I like how it's kind of hidden in there.
It's a face.
If you don't know, you gave it away. It's a face. And that's the nose sticking in.
Wait. No, wait. I'm gonna go swimming.
Hey, so you know what this means? I've got sand. I've got polymeric sand dust. I've got pavers. And that means at some point I'll have a patio. And the backyard will finish up. Yes, that is correct. I will have a patio that'll finish up the backyard. Then I'm just left to plant and finishing touches, which will make the family very excited. Let's see how it goes. All right, so this afternoon, today, this side we've got pavers were in the other day. Oop, Lily's actually getting to use it. Went and did the border, which is Cambridge Ledgestone 3-piece limestone quarry blue, and the edge is a coal. So it's coming along. We have to get the other side later in the week. Hey, Sherry. How do you dispose of all your extra cardboard from Christmas season? We slowly burn it in the fire pit, or use it as the base for our turkey. Happy Thanksgiving to everyone.